Urad and chana dal, chopped garlic and ginger are sauteed together with green chilies and curry leaves. Peanuts and cashews are also added, and turmeric turns everything fragrant and yellow. Cooked rice is then added in and tossed together. Finally, lemon juice is added. This makes the most delicious lemon rice. Heat up a quarter cup of oil and add in 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Allow these lentils to get crispy and next add in a quarter teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and a quarter teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies. Saute this. Next add in a quarter cup of curry leaves and a half cup of peanuts and cashews. Add salt to taste. Next I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of cooked rice. I'm going to fold everything in. And finally, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. If you add the lemon juice at the end, it will have that nice lemony taste without getting bitter.